Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. Oh my goodness, it feels so weird to be back and good to be back finally filming in real time. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been in Texas for almost 3 weeks. So all the videos I've been posting, although I still kept my YouTube schedule up, posting every Wednesday and Saturday, I filmed all of those before my Texas trip. So I have not filmed in 3 weeks and I really missed it. So it feels great to be back. I'm so excited to be talking about the product that we are going to talk about today. And I missed you guys, even though I still was posting like normal, so it didn't look like weird. I miss you guys, like talking in real time. So anyways, as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be reviewing an eye product. Now I have been using this product. I actually took it to Texas with me and I love it. It is awesome. So the product we're gonna be talking about today, and I'm gonna put it on for you guys, take all my makeup off later on in the video, is by Glow Recipe. It is their Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. So this is what it looks like. Comes in this really cute green tube. Also, I got my nails done while I was in Texas. Nail salons are open there, not in LA, so this is the first time I got my nails done in all of 2020. That's crazy. Oh my god, so crazy. It feels so good to have some claws back on. I think I got them a little too long though because I just was having nail withdrawals and I just said, give me claws, and now I don't know how to do anything because it's really hard with long nails. Anyways, back to the Glow Recipe product. I have been using this product for 2.5 weeks. Like I said, I brought it to Texas with me. Absolutely loved it. So a video I posted about 2 weeks ago, the V2 Code eye mask that I reviewed. Absolutely love the product. The eye gel masks from V2 Code I've been using. I use them during the day when I'm walking around, or I'll use them a couple hours at night. But the instructions on sleeping throughout the night in them didn't work so well with me. I did it one time to test it out just because that was the correct way to use the product. And I just don't like sleeping with things on my face, with eye masks on, with under eye patches. I don't like it. I'm not a fan of it. No. So I took to my Instagram, shared my thoughts with y'all, and a few of you guys on my Instagram recommended this product because it is an under eye product, but obviously does not require you to wear some sort of patch throughout the night. It's just a cream, for lack of better words. And in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off, put the cream on so you guys know exactly how to use it, but also gonna talk about what it has done for me these past 3 weeks in good old humid Texas. So humid, unreal. Like, I had actually forgotten how bad the humidity was there in the summertime and I was dying. So if you are ready to learn more about this product, if it is something that you should look into for yourself, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now, let's talk about this eye cream. Alright guys, the makeup is off, my face is all clean, I cleansed it, I put toner, I did everything except put an eye cream on and a nighttime full face cream on, which I'm going to do here with y'all on the video. Also, my face might be a little bit red because I did the thing. I popped some stuff. Shouldn't have done that. I always say this, don't do as I do, do as I say. Don't pop your pimples, even though I will be popping my own pimples for the rest of my life because it is so satisfying. Let me know in the comments down below if you are obsessed with pimple popping. It's amazing. Anyways, by the way, I did my whole skincare routine off camera, but if you would like to know what I use before I apply this in my nighttime cream, I've linked everything that I've used on my face in the description box below. So if you're interested, just check out there and all of the information will be there. Alright, so I didn't put anything on my face moisturizer wise because the first thing I always like to do before I put my serums and my creams on is go in with an eye cream. Now, I am a big fan, as you guys know, literally for the past year and ever since I've been on YouTube, I have been in love with Lancome products. So I've always used the Multi-Action Eye Lifting and Firming Eye Cream by Lancome, which is absolutely fantastic. Best eye cream on the planet in my opinion. But if you are interested in a lower price point, very successfully working eye cream product, that's where Glow Recipe comes in handy. I do believe that the Lancome eye cream retails for $75, and it's a small tube. I mean, obviously it's under your eyes, so you don't use that much product. So this lasts me usually like 5 to 6 months, so it lasts me a really long time. So it's, in my opinion, worth the price. But if you are wanting something that is more of a lower price point, Glow Recipe is fantastic. I believe this is $42, so it's almost half the price. And these two are exactly the same size as well. They're both 0.5 fluid ounces, so you're getting the same product. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to go in with this cream first before I put anything else on my face. First off, the skin under your eyes is the most tender, and also the first product you put on your face is gonna be the most absorbed product. So obviously we want our under eyes to not have anything else on it other than to be completely clean, so that the product we put on it gets completely absorbed underneath our eyes. So one of the things I absolutely adore about this product is, as y'all, I don't know if y'all can tell, I think y'all can kind of tell, yeah, from the bottle. The product is the color of cream. It's like a white, well, it's kind of got a green tint, but it's a white green tintish color, but it gets absorbed like a serum. And what I mean by that is serums usually don't leave any kind of film or any kind of shine on your skin, unlike a moisturizer. Usually you can tell when someone's put a moisturizer on because their face is like super hydrating and glowy and shiny looking. Serums, not so much, because they get absorbed into the skin really fast and it may or may not look like you have nothing on your face. That's what I love about this. It's so lightweight. It doesn't leave a film. You can't even tell I have it on, which is why I want to also demonstrate putting it on, because once I put it on, you won't be able to see it. So I like things that are lightweight that I can't feel, especially when I'm sleeping. That was my problem with the V2 Code product, was I hated feeling like there was something on my eye. That's my favorite thing about this product. So I put it on a little heavy, just so y'all could really see it. And there we go. So as y'all saw, I really massaged it into my under eyes, especially on the outside of my eyes too, because that's where crow's feet will develop. And the more you can massage and like penetrate a product into those problematic areas that we'll all eventually experience when we're older, the less of a chance crow's feet and under eye wrinkles and dark circles have of coming, the more that you kind of push them out, if you will. Anyways, it's on. You can barely see it. I mean, I don't even see it. It looks like I have nothing on my skin, which again is like my favorite thing about this product, is it's so lightweight. My under eyes feel so hydrated and so dewy right now, but it doesn't look like I have anything on. So this is also a really good under eye cream to put on during the day. I always put on an SPF type of moisturizer underneath my makeup before I head out for the day. And I would totally recommend this being a part of your under makeup routine to keep your under eye skin hydrated and nice and bright throughout the day. So that leads me to my second favorite, I think we're on number 2? Second or third, I don't know what I've said so far. Second or third favorite thing about this product. When you wear this all night long, if you're anything like me, you wear your tiredness and your sleepies all in your eyes. My husband can tell if I'm tired just by looking in my eyes, and that's where I hold like all of my stress and all of my sleepiness. So you can tell if I'm tired just by looking at my eyes, and I really don't like that. Especially if you're a super active person, or you know you're gonna be up super late, or you know you have a really early day the following day and you're like, oh no, I'm gonna look tired. This stuff has come in great handy by brightening up my under eyes. Now, something I've never had was actual like purple under eyes, but when I'm tired, I get really dry underneath my eyes and I get like wrinkles just because my skin is so dry that you can just feel the weight of my skin like sagging almost. And so this has done a fantastic job. Every day I wake up and my skin is super bright, it is super plump. It's literally like wearing a face mask all night long. I mean, hence why it's called eye mask. The closest product that I feel resembles this is my Laneige lip mask. I reviewed that product about 3 months ago. Like, favorite product ever. I'm actually gonna put it on at the end of this video, but it's a lip mask and it just hydrates your lips all night. This resembles that most to me, only for your eyes. So this also has retinol in it, which AKA is like vitamin A. So good for your skin, especially underneath your eyes. So all in all, my experience has been really great with this product. I highly suggest it if you're looking for more of a mid-price point eye product that actually works. There's definitely products that are cheaper than this. I wouldn't go too cheap with your eye care products because it's a very important part of your body to take care of, and there comes a point where dropping the cost is just sacrificing the quality, and you definitely don't want low quality stuff that's just not doing anything for you, because then you might as well not even be spending money at all. So better to spend a little bit of money, have a great quality product, and see results rather than just waste your money. So this product will also last me, I'm sure, about 5 to 6 months, which $42 for 5 to 6 months of a product is fantastic. It's almost a no-brainer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my moisturizer and my lip mask, and y'all will see as soon as I put my moisturizer on, my face is gonna turn like shiny and almost look oily looking, and under my eyes it doesn't look like that. So that is what I meant by it absorbs more like a serum than a cream. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my night mask on. I am using the Benefit Multivital Night Cream by Lancome. This stuff is fantastic. And then I'm gonna go in with my Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. This stuff's bomb too. And then we'll call it a video. Alright guys, so my eye cream is on, my nighttime moisturizer is on, my lip mask is on, my face feels so hydrated and happy, especially since being back in California. It is significantly drier here than it was in Texas. I had all the moisture I needed in Texas. I almost didn't even use my moisturizers half the time I was there because it was like, my face is oily enough on its own. So anyways, it's so great to be back in California. Again, I do totally recommend this product. It was so awesome in Texas. It's travel friendly, so you can take it anywhere you want, and it really does the job at a great price. So I will link this product down below, so feel free to check out the description box to see all the products I used on my face in this video. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed. It's so good to be back, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!